Hello everyone, and welcome back to another hike. This is a short 3.25 mile out and back hike within the Mammoth Lakes backcountry that is less traveled, offers excellent solitude, alpine meadows, meandering creeks, and some of the best mountainous views in the Sierra Nevada backcountry. The trailhead begins at the end of Coldwater Campground in the Mammoth Lakes region and gradually ascends south along the Emerald Lake Trail into the John Muir Wilderness. The trail passes right by Emerald Lake, one of the most beautiful lakes in the Mammoth Basin in my opinion, then steadily ascends into the mountains, where I noticed several opportunities to go off-trail and explore up boulder fields. Maybe this winter if I'm lucky. The trail ends at Sky Meadows, a lush, high alpine meadow nestled above 10,000 feet with a stream and mountains surrounding the landscape. A true paradise. I performed this hike in early August and can imagine with proper equipment, this hike could also be performed in the winter under snowy conditions. The roads leading to the trailhead may be closed, so you would need to plan for the additional hiking distance to get to the trailhead if doing so in the winter. All in all, a round trip hike will take around 2 hours, depending on how much time you will spend at the waterfall and in Sky Meadows. I hope these details have been helpful to you and you're able to get out to hike this trail.
Good afternoon. Just starting out on the Emerald Lake hike, and I'm gonna go beyond Emerald Lake and hike up to a little place called Sky Meadow, and then from there I'm gonna attempt to go off trail, I think it's off trail, and venture over to a lake called Mammoth Lake. Never been to any of these places, so it's all new and I'm excited to check this trail out. There's still quite a bit of water, which is so good to see. It's August, so if there's water in August, it's a pretty good sign. I think it'll be dry by September because of our snowpack, but it's better than nothing. This trail's great. It's got a pretty good incline at the start. Then it kind of mellows out once you get closer to Emerald Lake. Whew, I feel like I'm out of breath. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's a little rocky, so you have to watch your step. Same with the roots. It's a bit rooty. But just pace yourself. You'll be fine on this hike. Gorgeous. All right, now we're gonna head up to Sky Meadow. Let's go. So I've just hiked up the hill past the kind of cascading creek, which was lovely. And now it's mellowed out, and I just passed some folks that said up here is absolutely gorgeous. So looking forward to it. They mentioned a different meadow as well. I'm heading to Sky Meadow. They mentioned a different one. Wow, this is beautiful though. Check that out, gosh. This hike keeps getting better and better. The scenery is unreal up here. So beautiful. And I thought I've seen all of the Mammoth Lakes backcountry, but wow. There's always something new to find. Beautiful. There's a lot of uphill on this hike, but to be honest, it makes it fun, at least for me. I like the challenge, I like the sweat. So this is quite nice. And I haven't seen anybody up here. I don't think hardly anyone comes up here unless they've really researched the trail system, because it's not really a hike that you come to Mammoth to do, but it's a fun hike. Lots of ups and downs, meandering. It's great. I just spent a good 20 minutes at this waterfall. So pretty. This trail is epic. Wow. Love how challenging it is too. Look at this, look at the steepness. Because flats like that, looking up. Wow. This is great. Just made it to Sky Meadow, and it is beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh, look at this place. Wow. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Be fun to go explore up the mountain over there. If I had more time. Started this hike kind of late, so I've got to start heading back. I think I'll hike to the lake another time. Just gives me another excuse to come back out here. Wow, look at that. All right, time to head back down. Sun is starting to go down. This was excellent. I would do it again, even though I've just done it. That's how good it is. Highly encourage you guys to come out here and hike this trail. It's only about 1.5 miles, and the views are outstanding. So hope you guys have a chance to come out here and hike this. I'll hit the Mammoth Lake another day. So it's all good. It's all good. So many beautiful wildflowers out right now. It's early August, and this trail has been an absolute pleasure to hike. Coming back into Emerald Lake was kind of busy. Probably still is. There's folks that like to swim this in the summertime, so it's fairly busy. If you want it to yourself, you gotta kind of come early in the day. This is a nice little meadow opening though. Ah, so peaceful. Got a few fish boiling. Bring my rod next time. Oh yeah, this guy's fishing. All right, coming back into the parking lot. That concludes this hike. All in all, it's about 3 miles total. You can do this hike in an hour and a half. Really, really easy. There's probably 600 to 800 feet of elevation gain, but the views are gorgeous. The beautiful running water, the mountains off in the distance. It's well worth the trek. Until next time, this is Sheedy33. Happy hiking.